Ethiopia is a land of breathtaking contrasts, from the majestic highlands, with their towering mountains and lush plateaus, to the vast lowlands that are home to unique wildlife and stunning landscapes. In this video, we explore the Ethiopian Highlands, the roof of Africa, filled with dramatic cliffs, green valleys, and rare animals like the Ethiopian wolf and Gelada baboon. The Ethiopian Lowlands, rich savannahs, deserts, and wetlands where elephants, lions, antelopes, and exotic birds roam freely. Hidden gems of Ethiopia's natural world. Rivers, lakes, and untouched wilderness that showcase the country's unmatched biodiversity. Whether you're a traveler, nature lover, or adventure seeker, Ethiopia will amaze you with its beauty and wildlife diversity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more African nature and travel content.